What up? So, as you can see on Rhythmic, got the account. Gonna try to just bump out another $400 real quick. And I don't know what that button does. I don't like it. Yeah. So right now we're just kind of taking it, just chopping it down $400 at a time, blah, blah, doing all that shit. Legends yesterday. I thought the accounts would be ready to go. When I emailed out to them, contacted them, their website doesn't update. They're still working on it and all that bullshit. But yeah, straight up thought that, oh, cool, I'm already done with my 4 days. I've already made profit target and all that shit. Come to find out, I need one more trading day. So today I'm just going to do Rhythmic $400, hit the Legends account, just buy, sell instantly with the hotkeys and knock that out and call it a day. Today's going to be just a short, quick day. So let's just wait for market to open, see what the hell goes on. Oh yeah. This way I don't get caught. Huh? Well, that's an interesting financialshoes.com. Oh, okay, cool. I was like, I got a weird ass error on the website. It just said no. Jobless claims, neutral. It hit forecast, durable goods. Oh fuck. It's 5 times better than what they thought. What else? Continued jobless claims was good. Home sales, existing home sales comes up in 30 minutes. That's gonna to bump the market a little bit one way or the other, but we got 30 minutes. It ain't gonna take 30 minutes to make this money. Everything gapped up just ever so slightly, so might just wait for the gap to fill on everything. I mean, I'm talking gapped up like 0.2%. So it's gonna fill. It's gonna drop a little bit and then swing it on up. What the hell? Oh, I love that. Charts don't change and shit. Well, refresh. How about that? Oh, kick me out. That's why. Rude. Okay. So there we go. Let's see. I can just short from up here. Hate these little buttons. Oh yeah, also limited to trading 2 contracts with this account. So I don't get my standard up to 5 and all that shit to average in and whatnot. Only can trade 2 contracts at best. So have to really pick my entries. And there we go. So that's 175 already. That's a late ass text. I was supposed to be a text yesterday. Weird. Okay, but yeah, so like I said, Legends, actually, you don't even need to see this. I'm just gonna what's my lowest account? $7 over, $22 over. Okay, cool. So just can't lose any money on it when I buy sell. And closed. Okay, cool. And done. So that one is done. See if it just gaps down just a little bit more, please. Yep, so those accounts are now done. Yep, log out so we don't have any inkling and any temptation to fuck around and find out. What else is it? Let's get over here. Trading View. Check out my shit. Oh yeah, if y'all were on the private chat yesterday, the position that I held, the entry that I held yesterday, shortly after lunch, ended up reaching almost 11 grand profits. So that was a good, nice little hit. So hopefully y'all capitalized a little bit on that, because that's definitely some good play around the weekend money. Yeah, it didn't break out as much as we thought, but I bought so many cons it didn't matter. It was up 11 grand in the money. So that was a fun deal yesterday. But right now we just waving. The 1 minute, well, really the 1 second chart is just showing slow and smooth waves. So let's see. Maybe we get a little droppy drop here, just a little bit. Yeah. Yeah, we're going to get a little droppy drop. So we're up 175. So just need another 225, which is something like hold up, wait, trying to do math, my bad. 225. It's going to be 11. Yeah, it's like $11.50 or some shit like that. And there we go. Something like that. Oh, balls. $5 short. See if we can't catch a bounce. Just there we go. Okay, cool. Well, look, guys, we're done already. There's $400 for the day. Yeah, $400 for the day. So that means do another 400 tomorrow or something. Get 400 minimum. So at least gonna pull out $2,500 for the week. That's always fun. That's always cool. But it's the one thing I don't like about the firms doing live accounts and shit like that. They only give you one. So it's like at one point with DayTraders, I had 5 accounts going, which meant I was taking out $2,000 each account. So that's like 10 grand. Now, I mean, yeah, I get a live account, which is pretty cool and all that stuff. And I get a weekly payout. But the shitty part about it is I only have one account to trade with. And then they limit you down to how much you can trade. Then they throw on a daily loss limit. Like, it sucks. I guess I'm still sour about my account making 13 grand extra and not being able to pocket or have any of it. So it's whatever. So yeah, I'll jump back on tomorrow. We're 6 minutes into the market. We're already done with $400 goal, and now my Legends accounts are ready to go. So I really have nothing to do now. I don't know about y'all. If y'all want to still see some trades or still get in on some trades, join my chats, join Discord, join Telegram. Like, just join up, or just go back and watch some of my previous videos and start to implement my style with how you trade and what you do. Because ultimately, this is your decisions. Everybody has a different trading style. Everybody has a different form of doing things. And the method to my madness probably isn't the same as your madness. So just take it safe, play it safe out there. Another thing is Financial Juice is the website that I use to keep up with any market news, anything that's going on. and just hit this little My News tab. When you log onto the website, you don't even have to have an account or anything like that. Just read the news. Typically, the market will shoot first, and then it'll let you know like a minute later when Trump tweets or some bullshit. Like whenever somebody says something, but at least like today we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. 23 events for the market. Now they might not have as much impact, or they might not be as like big, but I mean, Merck earning calls at 8 o'clock. We've already passed that. U.S. existing home sales is coming up in less than 30 minutes. But then you got the natural gas change. You got Kansas City Fed manufacturing. You got Fed composite. Then it tells you about the 4-week bills, the 7-year bills, or the 7-year yield. So, I mean, it just kind of gives you the information. I mean, shit, we got tomorrow morning at 9, we got Michigan sentiment, which is always a market mover, and it's a flash release. So, yeah, I mean, that's just something I use. You can customize it to do whatever you want, say whatever you want. I just want to have all the news in general. Me personally, I'm not going to sit here and customize all the shit. I just wanted to have index news and what's moving in the market. So yeah, other than that, y'all go have a good day. I'm you know what? Maybe I don't know. I feel like I'm cheating y'all out of some time. So let's jump over here to take profit. See my 3 pro accounts. Trying to get these 300Ks ready today, or at the end of the day today. Let me check all these accounts, see how much I need to make on each one. So I don't want to cheat y'all like that, but I mean, if y'all took those trades with me, you're already $400 up. You can be done for the day. Let's see. Balls. Okay, so what again is this? 53.42. Oh shit! Hold up. This is only traded 2 days. 53.42, huh? 53.42. $100. Shit. Yeah, that one's only 3 days old. Or today is the 3rd day. Damn. What? Is that mark way too early? $37.99. Let's check that account out. Damn it. Tell me all these accounts are today's their 3rd day. Fuck. Damn it. Yeah, so I did not keep track. All these accounts are, where is it? Yeah. So all 3 of these accounts apparently I made on Tuesdays, 2 days ago. Tuesday, Wednesday. Yeah, 2 days ago. But they're already at their profit goal. Like, damn it. So just pumping out $3,000 a day on each. That sucks. Well, what we could do is let's make sure and validate each account. Let's see, 53.42. I need to make 61.60 for the highest. Okay. 799. 61.20. Okay, so still. Okay, cool. So yeah, if I just get each of these 3 accounts up to $6,200 total. Hey, dick. Yeah, if I just get each of these accounts up to 6,200 on the account balance, then it's smooth sailing. So let's see. Oh, dude, I don't know why I keep closing the tab. One more time. 5342 is the one I got a baby because that was the freebie. So you need to make $200, but also need to play it smart. Dude, we got gaps on gaps on gaps. Fucking gaps on gaps on gaps. Oh yeah, Maxwell Suite, my indicator. Go ahead, use it, download it, blah, blah, blah. Set everything up. Easiest thing, all in one. Fair value gaps, that's what shows me that shit. The auto fibs, that's how I have my settings. Right there. 0, quarter, half, 3/4, 1. It'll auto set it. When it gets into this area and breaks down, we short. Gets into this area and breaks back up, we long. Okay, simple as that. Easy. I don't use the pivots. I used to. The IB, I'll toggle it. Not like I said, I don't use them, but I'll toggle them on and off just to kind of see. But I've got a second screen over here that I'll just glance up and look at all the pivots for the top 9, the Mag 7 plus SPY and Q. So, yeah, that's about it. So let's see if we can't knock some stuff out. Oh yeah, and then of course I got my trusty EMA 510 crossover. I use that. I found the 713, 821, all that shit to be too slow. So I switched it up. I did 5 and 10. And that one's actually been really, really accurate and really hopeful, especially on these lower time frames like 1, 2, and 5 minute. Pretty damn accurate and works pretty damn well. So that's another deal. Just let it keep on going up until it breaks down this. Oh, well, hold up. Wait, we got our 15-minute range too. So let's knock that out. So how that is the auto fib. I also do this little fib right here where I'll take the low. Where's 15? So that's 5-minute chart. There we go. So there we go. There's the high right there. So this bad boy is the same deal, except I use it for the opening range. This one's a little bit more complicated, but I'll tell you, the concept's still the same. This area right here, this blue-white area, as you can see, is 25 down to 75. Then I cut it in half, so it's 12 and a half and 87 and a half. If I really want to get aggressive, when it breaks this, the midlines, I will, they're even color-coded and all that shit, see? So you got white to blue to green, red. Red is when it breaks, so that's your opening range, opening range breakout. This is typically how far it runs to the max. Sometimes it will go higher on high news days or shit like that, but this is typically where the limit is reached. And that is 1.5 and 1,925. I've had to back test this, put these numbers in, and after going through about 20 days, shit, I can't remember if I went through a month or what it was. I want to say it was a month worth of back testing, just day. That's typically the highest it'll reach, and this is the lowest that it'll reach. So when it runs breaks, it's going to bounce off this, and you can long from here to there, at least to there. So like in this case, if it pulls back up, candle closes, blah, 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 964, scoop in, long it, put your take profit up to 20. So what is that? That'd be about a 55 point hit, which comes out with one contract to $1,100. So I will show y'all what I mean whenever the candle closes. We'll just make sure. SPY fell back under its pivot, just now kissing the pivot. And here we go. We're going to break through. So let's set it buy the long and then sell up there. If I could click the damn button. So that's how you would set it up. Just now, I mean, you could even, if it starts to race up there and get up there pretty damn quick, y'all could, I mean, just move the take profit up higher. If it breaks through that, put it as a stop. So at least you're securing $1,100 and then just move it up to the next one. Ta-da, 69. So you'd go from 20, so that'd be an extra 49.50 points, which would turn into a 100-point winner, which is a $2,000 gain. So you're either going to secure $1,100 or make $2,000. That's how I use this. It's my little cheat sheet go-to. But all comes back to if it falls back down to fill it up. If not, whatever. I just need to make $200. So we're looking for uptrend movement. So, I mean, probably could just buy in blindly. I like this idea of just buying in blindly. What do I need? $200. So $9.93. Yep. And here's the winning game. And would you looky there? And we'll just secure it. Screw it. I ain't too worried about shit. Yeah, $5 away. Okay, cool. Now this one I just need $90. So let's just make a $5. And let's just make a 5-point gainer real quick. Just walk it on up. Give me a little bit of a pullback. Just a little bit. Maybe come back down to, what's that high? 84. So maybe come back down to 85, 83, something like that. And then what? We only needed to jump up 5 points. So, yeah. This could be one of those days where just you see the high get broken, and then you're going to see the low get broken. I think that's similar to what happened yesterday. Let's see. So what? Yep. So you got high broken over in this area just for a little bit, but then your low got broken and it stayed up under. Let's see what the probability is of. All right. As for where is my information? There it is. Okay, cool. Thursdays, days of the week. Thursdays and Mondays, 50 to 55% of them have been bullish. So we're either going to be neutral. Yeah, it just looks like Thursday. I mean, Monday is typically the worst day of the week to trade for bulls, but yeah, Thursday, ever since the market has been implemented, daily continuation, it's bullish 65%, bearish is 55, flat is 40. Huh. Okay, but yeah, so Thursday, only 50 to 55% of Thursdays have been a bullish day since the market's existence. So, now what month are we in? Oh, we're in April, and 70 to 75% of the month of April has been bullish. Where's May at? Oh, yeah. May, notorious. Sell in May, go away. May is the most bearish month of the year. May is the most bullish month or bearish month of the year. October, when it's a bullish month, it is the most bullish month. Gap fills, that's always a fun one. Whenever you open up with a gap of less than 1%, either direction, there's a 75% chance that it gets filled. So there's just some fun facts for you. Oh, here's another one. I like whenever people say trend trading and all that stuff. Did you know trend trading is only 60% accurate, whereas bull bear flags and fair value gap trading is 70% each? That's a fun little fact for you. Yeah, look, and boom. You buy, retest, run it on up. So only need $5. So let's just see if we don't get our little pullback right there. Once we're just gonna rip through, but Trump's schedule is filled with traveling and events. Cool. U.S. Trade Representative Greer and Vietnam counterpart agreed to work towards a balanced trade. U.S. Trade Representative met with the Vietnamese counterparty yesterday. There are no signs of retracement of U.S. banks in China. Apple is planning to increase iPhone production in India by about 10%. Did I give Apple any news or anything like that? Okay, well, this bad boy just. Are we gonna go to the next line? $21. Okay, we'll just let this one play out. 2304, so we're good. Waiting. $7.99. How much do you make on this one? $2.30. So that would be 10. It'd be $11.50. Okay, cool. Boom. 37. So back down to 37. So we're just gonna wait on these two. And we just wait. Now the Qs have hit their first resistance pivot. It kissed it and then pulled back a little. You got SPY and Q both still just running up. But now you got NVIDIA. Went from green candle to red candle. You got Tesla still trying to push up. What else? Who else? You got Google. Everything. I mean, just one of those typical mornings where it's oh yeah, shit. Whoops. Well, that'll be fun. I forgot in 5 seconds. House market news. So let's see. U.S. existing home sales, and they missed. Let's see how that affects shakes it. Oh well, it shook it just a little bit, just a tidbit. My phone is blowing up. Oh, and we just broke through the second. So now, let's hurry up and get this over with. Let's just, boom, pull back down, pull back down. Yep, NVIDIA's starting to take a tumble. NVIDIA's starting to take a tumble. Like, oh, something bit me. Yeah, so like I said, there's a little method to my madness on what I do, but I'm comfortable with it. I'm okay with it. What am I watching? 2304. Okay. Here's a fun one I like to do. Oh, well, probably shouldn't do that right now. 46, that'd be 24. 24, so up to 30. What bump? 36. Bump it up to 51. Oh well, whatever. They're gonna come back into the money. All right, so on this bad boy. Whoops, I sold too soon. Get back in. Need a little $5 drop. Let it go. Oh, well, there it is. Got it. Okay, cool. So one account's already out. Let's get this one. So yeah, there you go. 99 already closed at 360. 2304. We just need this bad boy. $200. Got 2 cons. That means $5. You're at 46, so 41. So we're just waiting for 41. Or, you know what? This is the other bullshit. I'll just do. There we go. Heavy order filled. Got 5 cons going on it real quick. Just let it slide down just a smidgen. So under 56 is all we need. Oh. Liquidity grab, maybe? A little grabby grab? Maybe. Keeps hitting that resistance pivot on the Qs. But Nvidia, now Tesla's hitting some red candles too. So we just wait. But I am impatient. So 67 is what I need. Oh no, it's running away. Just wait for the V reversal. Wait for the V reversal. Oh, Tesla had a huge spiky spike. Is today going to be a trend day where it just bleeds up all day, where there's like no clear sign of where to get in or where to get out? Those days always fuck me up. I mean, shit, you got that order block right there. Just that whole area. Whatever. The ever so smallest red candles. Ever so slightly a red candle. But yeah, freaking TradingView. I've reached out to them so many damn times about how their charts aren't fluid. It's like a 2-second delay. Just see a little candle movement. So I got to keep my eyes on Tradeovate to see the actual order flow of it. Which, again, I guess so. 510 crossed up at 827 and just hasn't looked back, but it's bounced off the 10 EMA a couple of times. Now it's bouncing off the 5, which means it should be getting ready to turn around and come back down. So who knows? We will just wait and see. Whatever happens, happens. Oh, and I think it's about to happen. There you go. Okay, so lost that account. Big whoop. But here we go. That's the new one. Let's go ahead and pop some shit. And we will sell up here. Question mark. It's gonna hit that 100. How much? Why did I do that? 276. That area is still looking like it wants to. What the hell did I do there? Stupid. Go away. Just checking. Yeah, that day, fucking $2,000 in. Wild. What's the high? The high yesterday was 165. I mean, shit, man, we could just bust up and go above 165. Go break 380 or 390. I just don't like the bleed up. Like, that shit just always gets me. And see if we can't go get a nice little hit. See, right there. So what's the deal? 3 contracts. So we need $1,000, which is 50 points. So 42. Come back down here and fill this gap. Ooh, but it's hard not to just take $1,100 like that. And guess, I mean, shit, dude, look. Ugh. I wouldn't have averaged up a little bit more. Oh, if only I wouldn't have averaged up a little bit more. That was my fault. But whatever. You always have one burner account that you can fuck around with. And that one was mine. So day three, which means Friday and Monday. So Monday evening, starting Tuesday morning, I'll have 2 more 100K accounts. I'll go ahead and just get another 100K, dabble around, fuck around, find out. Always have one burner account. Most people just use paper trading as their burns, but I don't care to do that because I feel no connection to a paper trade. I'll just buy 50 cons and go with it. Fed Waller, rate cuts could come from rising unemployment. That was just announced, and that actually might do something. So what's that? 72? 70? And we're going to get filled. Yep. Let's see if we can't come back down and come back in a jiffy. 38. It's 32 points. I don't know, just keep hitting 1,000 at a time, be fine. $17 points is $1,000, so 53. Let's get that back down into the 50s and make that 1,000 point. There we go. 53, come on. Screw it. And see if we can't catch it one more time. Yep. You only need another 1,000. Did it even hit 53 for the low? Yeah, it did. It hit 40s. Damn. Or it hit 49. Damn it, damn it, damn it. Come feel me one more time. There's the fill. And see if I can't get it. 44. This account just became pro this morning. If that gets filled, this means I'll get a payout on it. What the hell is this? Oh. Due to find some support. The hell? Computer's all freezing up. There we go. There we go. Got to move this shit over. Teeter totter, teeter totter. There's your nice little reversal candle or your reversal sign. So as long as we don't break that, which would be 94. Oh, we'll find out in just a minute. Yeah, we just keep tweezing top and this gonna be going down. All right. Come on. Slowly but surely. Slowly but surely. I Swiss Trader View showed me my P&L, like whenever I go to do a set limit and all that shit. Just push down a little bit more. Put a little 3-stopper up there, 65. Oh, stop filled. All right, so wait for a little bit better entry. How about that? I don't know how much better an entry it'd be, but maybe get that 75 because it's starting to get heavy. I probably could have just held this bad boy all the way till the end, but after being out of the profit for so long, I didn't. Maybe. We'll just try it. It'll fill me. There we go. We'll test this. 58. It's 12,240. It's 720. It'll be fine. As much as I wanted the 100. Oh, son of a bitch. Stupid Joe. She bought it at the same place she bought it last time. So dumb. What's making everything jump? Data focus, Fed Waller. When did they say Fed Waller was going to speak? I guess he's just talking to talk. Yeah, he just released some shit. Oof. Pull it down. Oof, pull it back a little bit. Just drop 5 points. Give me a 5-point drop. Give me some red. Oh, give me some red. Don't do that. That's rude. Damn. That account's gone. Fuck me. That stings. That's what stings. Pro account, 100K, costs $1,000 to reset it. Oof. Mm-mm-mm. Damn. Okay, well. What the fuck did Fed Waller? Okay, so data focus brings risk of being late on the policy action. Rate cuts could come from rising unemployment. I'm willing to look through tariff price rises. It's going to take courage to stare down tariff price increases and see them as transitory. Demand slowdown from tariffs will offset inflation impact. Still strongly believe tariffs will be a one-time price level effect. Damn. Yeah, he just kind of gave some more hope for rate cuts, and that is what just set the market into a positive bleed up. So, with that being said, I am now on a hunt to make 1,250 so that I can afford a reset. Which account are we doing this time? Oh yeah, we're doing 75K. Okay. Still gonna short it because it's coming back down into this area. But of course, like I told y'all before, if it's one of those bleed up days, I'm absolutely fucked. All of my accounts are gonna be cooked if it's a bleed up day. Because I do not trend trade. That is a no-no. Okay, so take 50 points, be $2,000 gainer. Really, just give me 30 points. 35. Got Nvidia got a big old boner candle. Tesla's been pulling back. I mean, even natural gas is running up, which should mean that the market is going to be pulling back. Let's see what the dollar or the, all that bullshit. Oh, yeah, they don't do my shit. What's gold doing? Gold's been on decline. DXY. Let's start to pop up. Dollar's been on decline. Now it's popping up. Yep. That's gonna be ugly. Just pull back down. We just wait. Well, it's been a couple of days since I've had a day like this. Bound to happen every now and then, but never gets easier. Never gets easier. Okay, I need under 101. Yeah, everything's just so crammed. It's just tick, 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 tick. Typically, you have 4 candles in a row, and then the reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the reverse. We've already had our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. No reverse yet, but that could have been the last hoorah for it. Again, I'm just gonna make a nice chunk real quick, and then I can get that 100K back. That's just fucking just stings. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. That's the life of a trader. Little protein bar. Get me back into my feels. And finally back in the profit. Now let's see if we can't get back and drop down. Oh, got back into the profits, found support, and bounced. But you got NVIDIA pulling, you got Tesla pulling, so this is where we should drop. Oh, what's that green stick for, dude? What the hell is being said? We've not forgotten how the U.S. stepped in with LNG when the European Union needed it during the energy crisis. Fuck, dude. This is ugly. Yep. There goes another account, dude. Damn. Just need that slight pullback. Give me a heavy pullback or like just start pulling back. Ugh. Look at this damn rate. I'm scared to trade for the rest of the day because fucking it's gonna do this bleed up bullshit. Huh. Like I know where it's going and I know what it's trying to do. I just can't pull myself to be a sheep and follow. Because once it reverses, it's going to reverse fucking hard. I trade the reversals all the damn time. Like we are so overextended, it's unbelievable. Yep. And there goes another account. Fuck, dude. Yeah. Well, just gotta make some big money on this last fucking account. So there goes 2 pro accounts. Let's see if we can't lose the third. It's fucking ugly. Fuck me, dude. Ugh. Where's that 9:30 V reversal? Like 9:30, 10 o'clock is typically your V reversal. Okay, so realistically, let's do this. In order to get that 75K back, so in order to get 1,000, I know I need to make 1,250. In order to get the 75K back, I think it was 850 divided by 0.8. So I need to make $2,280 today. Yeah, just to justify getting those 2 accounts back. Ugh, ugly. Ugly, ugly, ugly. Which means with the 3 cons, do this math. So you said 2,200 divided by 20 divided by 3 equals $37. So you need a 37-point deal. And fucking it break out again. Dude. Break on break on break. Like, what the fuck? The natural gas report tanked. Natural gas just tanked 3% on that. Google is dropping. Nvidia is dropping. Tesla is steady dropping. Like, everything tech heavy is dropping. us an ugly ass time, man. Damn, yeah, my screen's ain't loading right for shit. 34. So you need it up under 34. We're already down 40. Steady dropping now. We'll refresh the screen. Zoom in a little bit. And random spike. I mean, shit. Even the SPY's hitting another pivot and dropping down, but Tesla's bleeding out. Nvidia's dropping. That's where we just have to average up, I guess. 42. Get back up under 40s. Seeing that's ugly. Hurts me. Dude. Get it up under. Pull it down, dude. Fucking just pull it down. Just a little bit. Pull it down. Pull it down. Somebody said something or somebody did something. U.S. Transportation Department warned state they could lose federal funding over failing to cooperate with immigration enforcement. Fuck. Oh, I should have closed. Damn it. I was reading the news and didn't close. Oh, is this going to be our big reversal that we've been waiting on, guys? Because this is when I need it the most. Fuck. Fuck. Pull it down. Please. Please, dude. Fuck. Who fucking said something? Damn. Well, there we go, guys. It's gonna be an expensive $3 fucking grand I gotta pay, but yeah, we're just gonna bleed up. I'm gonna be so pissed when I see later on today that the reversal's literally it's like on the verge of reversing. All right, guys. See y'all tomorrow.